So what's up, everybody? It's me, Nate. I had to do this video really fast because, you know, most of my friends know me. We're forever traveling and we go past mountains and, you know, I see water falling over the rocks. I just get so emotional because sometimes, you know, it's hard for us to explain to people. You know, people may say, why do you believe in God? Or how do you know God is real? And sometimes I always use the example, water is so awesome. No one knows where it comes from. No one knows where it ends, where it stops, how we get it. It's just so awesome to me. And I was driving to the studio on the interstate, and I had to get off the interstate to get back on the interstate, to get back on this side, to just show you guys what just really blessed me. Like, it's a beautiful sight. It's a really beautiful sight, and it does something to my insides, like my bowels. They just start bubbling with glory. And I just get really toe up on the inside, make me want to shout. You know, I'm gonna let y'all see. Oh, y'all gotta see it. Just look at it. Look at it. It's really awesome. It's awesome. Like, it's awesome. Just coming off the rocks. It's awesome. And I'm just getting so toe up. Like, woo. I'm getting toe up. I'm getting toe up. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Woo! Thank you, Lord. Woo! Woo! Thank you.